Hello guys, let's eat. So we have chicken adobo. I cook also this chop suey and my fresh fried chicken. And of course we have a rice and drinks that's cooked. And my daughter is just will go after. We also have the sausawan or suka with chili flakes. Ayan guys. So dahil puyat tayo kagabi sa work, nag-night shift tayo, kaya ikain natin para bumalik ang ating sigla. So that's our hapunan for tonight. Sige guys, kain tayo. Let's eat. Of course, meron tayong candle dyan, pampa-drama effect. Ayan lang po. At kain na tayo. Okay, see you.